So in the next release here, I added the ability to kind of select by color. So if you go to Windows here, there's this option called the Select Effect, and I call it like the Select Effects dialog. But in here, you can select an effect type, and then you can select, it'll show all the different, so if I say I want all the on effects on my star, it'll down here, it'll show all the on effects on the star by time. You can select all, and if you look, it highlights all of the on effects on that star. I kind of got the request at one of the minis I was at. They want the ability to select by color. So now in the options here, there's this color select, and there's two parts to it here. You select the color and then the sensitivity. So by default, the sensitivity is all the way open, which basically means any color can be selected. But if I were to come in here and select red, it'll bring the slider all the way down, which means it's the most sensitive. And as you can see, now it only shows the red. And so now when I click it, it'll only select the red on effects on my star. I can also hit Control here, select both these models, and now it'll show the red effects on my star and on my tree. Since this is a sensitivity slider, you can move this in theory if you had like different shades of red. And if you go all the way to the end with it, it'll basically show any color. So once it's all the way at the end, this is max, or this is like minimum sensitivity, so it'll, any color is allowed. If you hit the reset, it'll basically go back to black and open up the sensitivity again. So yeah, that's kind of just a little way here that we can select by color, and then you can, if you want to change all the blues to yellow, you can just go up here and it'll just change whatever's selected. If you wanted to change all of the red, let's say you want to select all the red ones, you want to make these green, you have to hit the update button to do all of them that are selected. So if you just change one, it'll only change one that's selected. If you do update, it'll change all of them that are highlighted. So just kind of a little quick thing I added to try to make selecting a little bit easier. So thanks.